Hit subscribe and then press the bell icon to never miss an update और मेरी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए. Hi there, hope you and your family members are safe. Few days ago, I had posted a poll on my Instagram asking you if I should post my history assignment, to which all of you said absolutely. Before you guys get to see the video, I would like to thank all of you for 7k plus views on my laptop unboxing video. It really means a lot to me. YouTube has been telling me that 87% of my viewers are yet to subscribe to the channel. And if you like my work, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Situated right on the highway with a great connectivity of metro is the DLF Cyber Hub. Cyber Hub is the main attraction of Gurugram, since it provides the visitor an experience nowhere else. It has been designed taking care of the environment and providing the visitor a great view of the shipbuilding while passing by. CyberHub consists of various types of restaurants, stalls, and even some shops, where each one has a different experience inside. This type of diversity helps attract people of all age groups. The space even has an open-air amphitheater with seating around and a large circular stage for performances. The space evolves throughout the year with decorations for the upcoming festivals. About year, it even evolves throughout the day due to the visitors visiting the place. The space even advertises brands without letting the visitor feel that they are being targeted by any brand. Weekend nights are the best time to visit this place. Since it is situated in Cyber City, Various employees love to hang around here during their free time. There are both indoor and outdoor spaces to sit with proper air cooling through mist water sprinklers. CyberHub takes inspiration from multiple spaces abroad, like the Gardens by the Base, which is in Singapore. Weekend nights are the best time to visit the space. Personally, having been to this place multiple times, the space gives me a feeling of modern India. Now, whenever I think of eating food outside, I always think about CyberHub. Due to its location, it's easier for all friends and families to get together at one place.
We can see both pubs and fine dining restaurants at the same place. The space is great for all age groups with activities and restaurants for all. There are various restaurants which offer various cuisines all in one place. Cyberhub is the place for every reason and every season.